Hello and welcome to this quick overview for the female Dresswear clothing pack. Uh, this pack is very similar to the normal Dresswear clothing pack that is designed for the male tall normal body type and male medium normal body type. This one, however, are designed for the other sex, so for the female part. Female tall normal and female medium normal. So here we have the shoes. I'm gonna give you a quick overview on how the clothes will look like, and yeah, then you can decide if you want to buy this pack or not. So here we have the three suits. The normal one without any accessories and two with accessories, hence the bow tie and the tie, which can be color customized, but I will get to that later in the video when we tackle the materials. We have multiple variations of button shirts. To go over them very quickly, we have a tucked and rolled up button shirt, tucked in a normal one, then a loose one that's kind of like hanging over the skirt and the pants, rolled up, and a normal one. Then we have the skirt, which can be color customized. Let me move this one a little bit to the side so you can see it. This is the skirt. Very simple. Didn't even mention the shoes and the pants, but we'll go over here. All the button shirts that you see also come in with a variation with accessories, so the bow tie and the normal tie, which again can be color customized. Then we can go to the vest. Here we have the vest, also with two different variations, one rolled up and one who is just normal length. And this is a close-up of it. And here we have also different materials for the pants that I didn't do here, but yeah, you can change the materials for your pants. So in three different styles, so black, blue, and this gray one with a mustard. So I can also show you the shoes. Drag you that a little bit up so you can see them, just kind of like low heels. So yeah, these are the clothes that you will get from purchasing this package. Again, you will get all of these clothes, which right now are portrayed are female to normal, but you will get the exact same clothes for the other body type, which is female medium normal. We can see it here. You'll get this folder, the female Dresswear clothing pack, and below mesh you'll find two folders. Again, female medium normal, female to normal. There you can find all the clothes. To get the clothes onto your Metahumans, first and foremost we need to install or get a Metahuman. I hope you are all well aware on how to download a Metahuman. But there's a thing that we still need to do with our Metahuman, and that is to go to our shoes and pick these types of loafers. All right. They will come in with a nice, beautiful mask for your Metahuman base texture, so that they will work with the shoes we have here. When we dress our Metahumans, I can show you in detail on how it will look like. But yeah, it is highly recommended to use these loafers, not this one, but these ones, for your Metahumans. Now that we have imported our Metahuman into our scene with the loafers, we wanted to get dressed. So how do we do it? So we open the blueprint. Should have opened it prior, but yeah, there it is. Force the LOD to preferably 1 or 0, because everything above that will look janky. Okay, and we have here on the left side 3 different skeletal mesh components. Very self-explaining. Torso, we're gonna put on the suit, the vest, and the button shirts. So for example, this is a female tall normal body type, so we need to head to our female tall normal folder. So now let's dress our metahumans. So we're gonna click on the clothes that we want to dress our metahuman, for example, this button shirt. Click it once and just hit the arrow key here, or you can also type in the clothes that you want to, You're gonna type the clothes that you want your metahuman to wear. For example, suit. You need to be sure to check if this is the right body type, which can be seen here, female tall normal. Again, these are identical to each body type, so you find one with female medium normal. Make sure to hit the one which is the right body type. Again, use the folder, it's easier. So these are the clothes that we can use for the torso. On the legs, you can type in pants. It's like female tall normal pants. These ones. She can also wear a skirt. This one here. Looking good. And then for the loafers, they are called, let's just open the folder. It's easier that way. Find the shoes here, click it once, hit the arrow key here. And sometimes it doesn't update the material. So all you can do is just hit this arrow here and you will switch it out with the material that is designed for this shoe. And as you can see, you will have a beautiful mask for the feet, for the shoes. So that's why we need the loafers. For example, if I just drag them out, you can see how it's masked out. And with the other shoes, if you import your metahuman with other shoes, you will have a different mask depending on that. So that's why we usually pick the loafers. Okay, this is our metahuman. Now you know how to dress them. Let's jump into the material part. Let's start with the suits. I can show you what you can manipulate and what you can't manipulate. So if you open the folder, you will be greeted also with a materials folder. Clicking on it, again, the 2 body types, select the one that you want, and then ignore the materials folder, head straight to the material instances. There you can see all the materials that you can manipulate. Each of them have different parameters that we can go through one by one. So let's start with the suit first. If we click on the suit, open this material. This is the blue style one. Let me make this window a little bit smaller. You will be greeted, let me get a little bit closer so you can see it all. You will be greeted with some parameters that you can change. All of them are quite self-explaining, but I'll go over them. This is the color changer for the buttons. You can see here, these 2. You can change the color of the buttons if you want. Very easy, simple to change. Okay. The color of the button shirt. So if you want to decide to give your suit a different color, maybe a little bit more darker, go into the blue design. This looks good. Then we have 3 roughness parameters. Clicking on it, you can change the roughness of the button shirt, the textile of the suit itself, and I believe the buttons as well. So to change the roughness, you simply just drag the scaler up and down. So I don't know what this roughness means. White means it's rough, black means it's kind of like glossy. So I believe this one is the button. Here we have probably the button shirt, yeah, as you can see, getting really glossy. And this should be the suit itself. So if you want to make your suit a little bit more shiny, a little bit more glossy, which works well with the black one, you can do it here. That wraps it up for this video. I hope you like the clothes that you'll get from this pack. There's also an identical clothing pack for the male version of it. So if you have male metahumans and you also want him to get dressed up, just click my profile, you will find the pack very quick. If you have any questions regarding this pack, just let me know in the comment section or on Twitter. I will leave it in the description. And yeah, reviews on the marketplace or soon Fab will be highly appreciated. Thank you guys for checking it out, and I hope these clothes help you with your project. So, thank you guys, and see you on the next pack.